we interrupt your regularly scheduled scroll to bring you this breaking news update. Thousands are being displaced tonight after exposure to a powerful new Photoshop plugin known as Reactor. While we don't yet have confirmation on the origin, WHO officials speculate that black market may have something to do with it. We go live now to Eyewitness Rachel, who saw firsthand the full magnitude of Reactor's capabilities.
I'm really not sure people are ready for Reactor. I mean, it's extremely dangerous, and with it being so affordable, my concern is that it may fall into the wrong hands.
A concern shared by many, Rachel. Be advised, we're about to show you some images of the devastation already caused by Reactor. Warning, these images are graphic. With each click, watch Reactor destroy this innocent logo in a new and unique way. Brutal. Visit beta.blackmarket.co for more information.